everything you need to know about the Tesla robots and what activities the AI bot can do. Tesla Bot Gen 2 exists in physical form, and it can already do quite a few surprisingly human-like tasks. Let's take a deep dive into what this robot can actually do, right now, today. First things first, the Tesla Bot Gen 2 walks like a human. That might not sound impressive at first, but consider this. Walking, balancing, and adjusting on two legs is extremely complex for robots. Gen 2 uses Tesla's full-body motion control system, combined with balance algorithms inspired by human biomechanics. That means it doesn't shuffle or hobble like the robots you've seen in old YouTube clips. It takes smooth, confident steps, adjusting its posture in real time if something changes, like uneven ground or someone stepping in front of it. But walking is just the beginning. Tesla Bot Gen 2 can use its hands in ways that many other robots still struggle with. Thanks to newly redesigned hands with tactile sensors in every finger, the bot now has a sense of touch. That means it can pick up delicate objects, grip things with just the right amount of force, and even manipulate small items like wires or machine parts. In one demo, it was seen handling eggs without cracking them. Yes, actual egg. That shows not just mechanical finesse, but also precise feedback control between sensors and motors. One of the most talked about activities Gen 2 can do right now is folding laundry. This isn't a theoretical use case. It's something Tesla engineers have actually trained the bot to do in their factory labs. It can take a shirt, identify where the sleeves are, fold it flat, and stack it. Think about how many motions that involves. Visual recognition of the clothing shape, deciding the fold points, adjusting the grip as fabric shifts, and placing it neatly. Folding laundry sounds simple until you watch a robot do it, and then you realize how complex human movement really is. Another area where Gen 2 is showing real-world skills is factory tasks. Tesla's long-term goal is to deploy the bots inside their own gigafactories, and it's already being tested for activities like moving lightweight boxes, handling tools, or organizing components on an assembly line. The robot can now identify and pick up objects of various shapes and sizes, walk them over to another location, and place them precisely where they're needed. What's remarkable is that all of this is done autonomously. Tesla isn't remote controlling the bot like a puppet. It's using its onboard AI and vision systems to make decisions in real time. Speaking of vision, Tesla Bot Gen 2 is powered by the same neural network technology that drives the Tesla car's autopilot system. That means it can see the world using cameras and process that visual data to understand its surrounding. It can recognize obstacles, people, pathways, and specific objects like tools, boxes, or even hands offering it something. In one example, Gen 2 responded to a human handing it a wrench. It reached out, took the wrench, and held it steady, waiting for the next instruction. No clunky movements, no drop, just smooth coordination. Another task it's trained on is simple yoga poses. Now, this may sound like a gimmick, but it's a powerful demonstration of body control and flexibility. In order to do a pose like tree pose, for example, the bot has to balance on one leg, raise the other leg, adjust its center of mass, and maintain posture without falling. That's not just a parlor trick. That's proof that the robot has precise control over its limbs, understands gravity, and can adapt in real time. These abilities could translate to future tasks that require climbing stairs, crouching down, or reaching for items in awkward spots. Perhaps most importantly, Tesla Bot Gen 2 can learn. Tesla is feeding real-world data into the bot's AI through what's called fleet learning. Just as Tesla cars learn from the behavior of millions of drivers, Tesla bots are being trained on video and sensor data from factory workers. This means Gen 2 can potentially watch a task being done by a human, like using a screwdriver or sorting packages, and eventually copy it. This isn't fantasy. The early signs of this imitation-based learning are already in motion. The current version of Gen 2 still needs supervision and occasional retraining. It's not ready to cook dinner or walk your dog just yet, but it's already doing things that seemed nearly impossible just a couple of years ago. Walking, picking up fragile items, folding clothes, moving objects in industrial settings, and maintaining its balance during physically demanding tasks. And unlike many research robots, this one's being built to scale, to eventually be mass-produced at an affordable price, just like Tesla's cars. In the end, what Tesla Bot Gen 2 can do now is quietly remarkable. It's not just a dancing demo or a stiff-limbed prototype, it's a functional machine with hands, feet, sensors, and a brain that's getting smarter with every update. And as it keeps learning, the list of things it can do is only going to grow. For now, though, we're watching the early stages of something historic, a robot that's actually beginning to understand how to live and work in a human world. And that's all for now, guys. What do you think about the Tesla Bot Gen 3? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.